Hello students, in today's class it is revision. So see, in last class also we discussed about the revision, and in the conclusion of that part we are here some questions for revision. See the table and answer the question. See the table and answer the question. Name of the fruit and it is price per kg. Now it is about price and weight. Name of the fruit, see, it is apple, mango, orange and papaya. Then it is price per kg, rupees 85 per kg, rupees 40 per kg, rupees 80 per kg orange and papaya rupees 60 per kg. So see, apple is rupees 85 per kg, mango is rupees 40 per kg, orange is rupees 80 per kg and papaya is rupees 60 per kg. Okay? Now see, Ajay want to buy 5 kg papaya. How much money will he buy for that? क्या है यहाँ पर? अजय जो है, अजय वांट टू बाय 5 kg papaya. By 5 kg papaya, how much money will he pay for that? तो उसके लिए वो कितना मनी पे करेगा? तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर देखिए, इट इज पर केजी कॉस्ट कितना बेटा? इट इज अबाउट पपैया. सी दिस इज पपैया, इट इज रुपीज 60. पर केजी कितना है का? इट इज रुपीज 60. नाउ टोटल केजी means how many kg you want to buy. To see in this question, you want to buy 5 kg. The total kg is 5 kg. Then the total cost equal to, see, it is rupees 60 into 5. Rupees 60 into 5. So see now, multiply here 60 into 5. 5 0 0 and 6 5 are 30. So it is rupees 300. It is rupees 300. Then how much money will he pay for that? See, he will pay rupees 300 for that. Means at the rate of 60 rupees per kg, at the rate of 60 rupees per kg, he will pay rupees 300 for 5 kg of the papaya. Next, on the basis of same table, number B, see, it is question number B. Amar sold 7 kg orange. Amar sold 7 kg orange. How much money did he earn for that? तो उसने ऑरेंज से, अमर ने 7 kg ऑरेंज सेल किया है, तो हाउ मच मनी विल ही अर्न फ्रॉम दैट? वो आज से कितना रुपीज अर्न करेगा? तो अगेन सी, इट इज पर केजी, इट इज अबाउट ऑरेंज. पर केजी कितना बेटा? सी, यू कैन सी द टेबल हियर. ऑरेंज, इट इज रुपीज 80 पर केजी. इट इज रुपीज 80. तो सी, we can write here per kg rupees 80 and total kg कितना है? Here it is 7 kg. It is 7 kg. Now see how much money did he earn? Total cost equal to, see, 80 in rupees 80 into 7. Rupees 80 into 7. आइए 80 into 7 कीजिए बेटा यहाँ पर. 7 0 0 and 7 8 are 56. 560. It is rupees 560. 500. Total cost rupees 80 into 7. It is 560. Then क्या हुआ? How much money did he earn? See, he earned rupees 560 for that. Okay. He earned rupees 560 for that. तो उसने क्या किया? वहां से 560 रुपीज को अर्न किया है. Now next, see. What will be total cost of 6 kg apple and 3 kg mango? 6 kg apple. What will be total cost of 6 kg apple and 3 kg mango? So see, it is about apple now. It is apple. So see, we have to think about the 6 kg apple cost and then 3 kg mango cost. So first of all, we have to see this table. What is apple cost? It is rupees 85 per kg. See, it is apple. It is apple rupees 85 per kg and it is mango rupees 40 per kg. Okay. So first of all we will think about only apple. तो see per kg कितना है एप्पल का? It is rupees 85. Rupees 85. Then total kg कितना है यहाँ पर? Total kg it is 6 kg. Total kg कितना है? 6 kg. Then total cost equal to 85 into 6. 85 into 6. Please. 85 into 6. 6 5 are 30. 6 5 30, carry 3, 6 8 48 plus 5, it is 510. Rupees 510. Okay? It is about your, then it is about your what? Apple. Now next about what? Mango. Mango. Next about what? Mango. तुम्हारा मैंगो कितना है यहाँ पर केजी ₹30. Sorry, per kg is rupees, it is 40. As per your table information, it is rupees 40. And now total kg कितना है? It is 3 kg. Total kg it is 3 kg. Now total cost equal to rupees 40 into 3 equal to rupees 120. 40 into 3, see, it is 40 into 3, 400, 4 3 are 12, it is 120. It is cost for mango. Now total cost of apple and mango. Total cost of apple and mango equal to कितना हुआ? ₹510 plus ₹120. 120. So see, at this number 510 plus 120, it is ₹630. Okay, so it is total cost of 6 kg apple and then 3 kg mango. Next, word problem. See, it is word problem. Amar took loan of ₹10,000. He paid ₹500 every month for 2 years. How much money did he pay back to the bank? तो उसने बैंक को कितना रुपीस पे किया? आइए, सी took loan of ₹10,000 and pay every month 500 and he continued pay for 2 months. तो see, every month कितना पे किया इसने? ₹500. Every month कितना पे किया? ₹500. And now number of month कितना बेटा? There are 12 months in 1 year. There are 12 months in 1 year. So it is about what? It is about 2 months. So we can write here is a 24 months. We can write here 24 months. Yes. Now 24 months. Now total amount कितना हुआ देखिए? It is ₹500 into 24. 500 into 24. तो आइए कैसे करेंगे बेटा यहाँ पर? 500 into 24. 50 40 0 40 0 4 2 4 5 are 20. Then 0. Then again 0 and 4 2 5 are 10. So it is what? 0 0 0 2 1. It is 12,000. So what is this? It is rupees 12,000. Total amount, it is 500 into 24 is equal to 12,000. Now then क्या हुआ? He will. The question is, how much money did he pay? He paid back rupees 12,000 to the bank. To the bank. Okay. See, he paid back rupees 12,000 to the bank. Rupees 12,000 to the bank. Next, question B. See, Rani took loan of rupees 15,000. Rani took loan of rupees 15,000. Rani took loan of rupees 15,000 and she paid rupees 6,000. She paid rupees 6,000 every month. 6,000 per month for 2.5 years. 2.5 years. Okay. 2.5 years. How much money did she pay to the bank? Then money did she pay back to the bank? Okay, how much money did she pay back to the bank? उसने बैंक को कितना पैसा पे किया है? How much money did she pay back to the bank? आइए अभी अगेन हियर एवरी मंथ कितना है बच्चों? सी एवरी मंथ इट इज व्हाट? ₹600. एवरी मंथ ₹600. देन नंबर ऑफ मंथ कितना है बेटा? इट इज सी इट इज फॉर 12 months in 1 year. Now we have to think about 2.5 year. 2.5 year. तो देखिए इट इज 2.5 year नो. तो इन 2 month 2 year में कितना हुआ? 24. एज वी डिस्कस इन क्वेश्चन नंबर अभी ए वाले इस क्वेश्चन में हमने डिस्कस किया था. देखिए 2 years में 24 month. एंड देन दिस इज हाफ ईयर. हाफ ईयर में कितना मंथ होता है? नंबर ऑफ मंथ इन हाफ ईयर इट इज 6. देन इट इज 30. इट इज 30 month. Okay, so see number of month equal to 12 into 2.5 is equal to 30 month. Now next total amount, see it is total amount equal to ₹600 into 30. ₹600 into 30. तो आइए देखते हैं क्या होता है. 600 into 30 0 0 then it is 0 0. Now it is 30 30 and 6 plus 80. तो आइए 0 0 0 8 1 equal to 18,000. It is rupees what? 18,000. So what is 18,000? Rani will paid back. Rani paid back rupees 18,000 to the bank in 2.5 year. तो देखिए C paid back rupees 18,000 to the bank. Okay, to the bank. Next, see, use this symbol to compare given number. अब यहाँ पर कुछ नंबर का पेयर दिया, some number of pair of numbers are given here. Now we have to compare that number and whether we decide which one is smaller and which one is greater here. So see, use what is this symbol? It is smaller than, it is greater than, it is equal to. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to compare the two numbers and then we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is greater. So see, from these two numbers, if this one is smaller, first one is smaller, means second one is greater. Then क्या लिखेंगे? 3,505 is smaller than 9,876. This is smaller than this one. Now, so 3,505 is smaller than 9,876. Next, 4,863 and it is 5,003. 5,003. So see, among these two numbers, which one is smaller here? This one is smaller, this one is greater one. So what we have to do right now? So this will be this. देखिए, this one is smaller. So we can again write here like this only. This one is smaller. Now 7,894 and 3,762. Among these two numbers, this one is greater. So we can write like this: 7,894 greater than 3,762. Now it is 4,679 and 4,989. So among these two numbers, see, both are 4,000, but hundreds are different here. It is 600, it is 900, so this one is greater, means this one is smaller. So you can write like this: 4,679 is smaller than 4,989. Next, 10,000. See, it is 10,636, 10,739. So see, both are 10,000. It is 600, it is 700, it is greater here. So what we can write? This one is smaller and this one is greater. So see, 10,636 is smaller than 10,739. Now 15,80,432. 15,80,432 and 6,89,532. So among these two numbers, which one is smaller? It is 15 lakh, it is 6 lakh. So this one is what? Greater. So we can write like this. The 15,80,432 is greater than 6,89,532. So this way, today we discuss about some questions of revision. Thank you.